Yo, what up? JBlanked here. Today we're making an attachment for the video game module that allows you to connect your ESP32 or Wi-Fi developer board to your video game module to give it Wi-Fi access. Now this is the final result and it goes into the board like this. And we can hook up our devices right into here, like this. All right, you want to take some headers. We need 14, and we need 2 rows of 7. So we're going to cut out 7 and then cut out 7 again. Alright, now connect your VGM to your Flipper Zero and make sure it is off. We're going to use the VGM as a mounting station. Alright, now go ahead and put in the headers. Now we're going to grab a PCB. You can use any of them, just no smaller than this one. And we're going to put the pins towards the bottom middle. So not exactly on the bottom, but 1 row up. So we have some space. Alright, this is pretty stable. Now let's solder those on. So the awesome thing is we only need to put 2 solder points on and then we can take it off of the VGM. Now we can take it off the VGM and we can solder from here. Now from here, we're going to use the helping hands to hold it in place and we're going to solder the rest on. And when you're finished, it'll look like this. Now for the next step, you need some female to male headers and we're going to cut them to fit the Flipper Zero. Now in total, we're going to need 18, 10 for the back and 8 for the front. Alright, and then go and cut exactly where we need, and at the end you'll have this. Now we're going to add it to our board, so go ahead and push these all the way in. And now go and solder the headers on. So I'm not going to do this on camera, this will take a bit of time. Quick tip, you can use the dev board to keep it stable and then use the helping hands to balance it. And when you're done, it'll look like this. So we are a little bit more than halfway done now. This is how it looks when we put it in the VGM so far. You want the dev board headers to be towards the lower part of the VGM. Okay, so if we turn it this way, we have to connect our ground, which is here, to the ground of the dev board. And then our 3v3, which is here, to the 3v3 of the VGM, which is there. And then 24 is the TX, 21 is the RX. So we have to connect our TX to the TX, and then the RX to the RX. To do this, you're going to need some wire, and you're going to have to cut it to the right length, and then solder it according to the diagram. This will take some time to do, so I'm not going to do this on camera as well. I have the wiring info showing, so I will see you guys at the end. At the end, we have this. And on the VGM, connect it to the flipper with the Devboard. And if you have Flipper HTTP flashed, as soon as you plug it in, same thing with the VGM. Alright, well that's it. That is how you make a custom GPIO attachment for the video game module. This one is my personal setup. It's a Pico 2W Devboard with an SD card, and it connects very well. Thanks for stopping by the channel. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and give a thumbs up on this video. Peace out.